Your family,
My
your
family in
mother.
Korea.
Wow, you're alone here?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, but actually I'm originally from North.
Start recording.
Hello.
Sa likod. Hindi, apat naman po kami kasya.
Kakasya kayo?
Oo, kakasya.
Mamaya natin.
Hindi kayo masigip.
Tsaka sa likod.
Medyo bata-bata ka pa. Medyo pa mabalukot yung mga tuhod mo.
Yung dalawa.
Ako hindi pwede. Aray.
Gumagapang na tayo.
Lumalagabog pa.
Yes, may tunog eh.
Ayan na naman tayo eh.
Parang chicharon eh.
Eh di lalo na pagka...
Sa suka.
Isasaw natin suka mamaya.
Pag ay, Diyos ko Lord.
800m 앞에서 우회전입니다.
Sabihin, hindi na yan lang sinabi. Libre na lang.
Libre na lang ho namin kayo. Pumunta pa kayo dito.
May dala-dala pala kayo. Ilang beses niyo pang pinasponsor. Tapos
Korean?
yung pala may baong kayo.
Koreano?
Yeah, 한국 사람이에요. Yeah, 한국 사람이에요. Korean이요.
감사합니다.
Oh, yeah.
감사합니다.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 감사합니다.
Koreano.
Yeah, 한국 사람이에요. Yeah.
감사합니다.
How's
Yeah.
Philippines?
Yeah, 필리핀이 좋아요.
Buti pwede ka mag-drive.
Tagalog.
Ay,
You speak Tagalog?
No, Tagalog.
Oh, no, Tagalog!
Oh my God!
English!
I'm
no
busy.
sleep.
How come you can drive
Yeah, you can
here?
drive here.
How long have you been driving
Ay, 1 year.
in Grove?
1 year driving.
1 year already.
Galing.
Yeah, 1 year.
Nice na
Yeah, I'm just following the ways. Ways. Yeah.
So how do you find the Philippines?
Oh, yeah, Philippines are very good and
The traffic?
people are very funny
Okay.
and traffic are very bad.
Filipinos.
Yeah, this is your hello. 안녕하세요.
Filipinos always want to go to Korea and you want to stay here in Manila.
Yeah, Filipino want to go Korea,
And
but
you
Korean want to go here.
Yeah.
Why? Because of the
Yeah.
standard of living.
Yeah, I like the street food here. Yeah, street food. Yeah, street
You like the street food and we don't eat street food.
food. Oh,
Ay!
맛있어요. Yeah, 맛있어요.
May meron sigurong
Yeah,
mga
there is
Yeah. But we love the street food in Myeongdong.
Oh, you in Korea?
I'm in Gangnam.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
ramen! Tayo kinakain natin.
Yeah, I always go there.
Oh, good. Yeah, 좋아요.
Your
Yeah.
family? You have family here?
Yeah, actually, I'm
Your family?
Single?
You're single? You have family? Your family?
my
Your
family in
mother?
Korea.
Wow, you're alone here?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, but actually, I'm originally from North.
Oh!
North Korea.
So you are from no, we have gone to DMZ.
North for view. North for view.
Ay, niloko mo na kami.
I live in North for view. I live in North for view. No for view.
Naisahan mo kami, ha?
You
I
joke?
thought you're from North Korea. How come?
No.
Kaya nga nakatakas ka.
You don't understand
No.
Tagalog daw.
No.
You escaped.
You
Yeah.
escaped the ano? Akala ko yun, no?
But I live in Seoul before. Seoul.
So,
You're
Yeah.
living in Seoul.
Seoul. Seoul town Gujarat.
Ah!
Mindanao. In Mindanao, yeah, before, yeah. Yeah,
Are you really a Korean? Can I see your ID?
Actually, I have a Philippine name. I have a Korean name.
Oh,
What's your Philippine name?
In the up, but it's hard to pronounce. I choose that name. Yeah, I choose that name.
Choose mo lang yung name?
Yes,
What is
kasi
your surname?
they have to buy. They have
What's your
to buy a
name?
Philippine name.
Yeah, I bought that name.
Oh, they have
But,
to buy
yeah,
a Philippine name.
How much is the name?
Huh?
Kasi mga Chinese bumibili ng Philippine name.
Yeah, just go, Mr. Hoon. Yeah, Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Wu.
Yeah, that's Korean name.
Yeah, and what is your Philippine name?
Yeah, in the
How
up,
do we
in the
call
up.
you?
Sa Elbert?
Yeah, I
Chelbert,
just,
Chelbert.
yeah, I choose that name here.
Choose ka lang, hirap pang sabihin.
That's what.
It's hard to pronounce.
Common.
It's hard to pronounce.
Yeah,
It's not common.
Not common.
Yes.
That's my
It's
Philippine name here.
You should have chosen Bert.
Pedro! Pedro! Or Jose! That's a common name in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
This one is my first time to
Yeah, that's I choose that name. I said I like this name. Yeah.
Ay, ganun pala sila.
Ganun talaga pagka-apoded.
Yeah. In Korea, yeah, Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
Yeah, just call, that's my last name Hoon.
Ooh.
My first name is Su Tang.
Sutang.
Yeah.
Marami kang shootang.
No. Su Tang.
Shutang.
Shootang.
Here in the Philippines, what's the meaning of shutang?
No. Su. No.
Dep.
Yeah, last name Hoon.
Hun.
My first name is Su Tang.
Shutang hun.
Yeah.
Ang galing ano, nakapag
So you enjoy, you really enjoy. Oh, meron naman talaga, may mga, may mga negro.
Ayun na kayo, nakaraan ng negro, saan ba yun?
Sa ano tayo,
Sa Novo tayo.
Novo Hotel, negro naman.
Nigerian.
Kenya.
Kenyan.
Kenyan.
Only speak English. Not Tagalog.
Yeah, can you teach me basic Tagalog? Yeah, basic Tagalog.
What do you
Tagalog.
want?
What do you want?
Thank you, Isalam.
Yeah, I know salamat po.
Ah, salamat po.
What
Salamat po.
else?
Guwapo.
Guwapo.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Oh, really? Handsome. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yung guwapo. Yay!
Guwapo or pogi is
Pogi.
handsome.
That's handsome.
Okay?
Yeah, pogi is handsome.
Maganda. Beautiful.
Makata.
Pretty.
What about food?
What is your favorite
food?
Here?
Yes.
Ato.
Sabi ko na.
Adobo.
Yeah, adobo.
Yes. Chicken or pork?
Any.
Any?
Yeah, any.
Oh, what's sinigang?
Sinigang.
That's,
Baboy.
that's the soup?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
With gulay. With vegetable gulay.
Do you eat the kimchi? Kimchi?
Yes! Cabbage!
Yeah.
Baliktad eh.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Kimchi, yeah.
Samgyupsal.
Oh, yeah, samgyupsal. Who is your favorite Korean actor?
Ay, nako, ito. Ikaw na,
Yeah.
ikaw.
My favorite actor? Sa dami, hindi ko na matandaan eh.
Nanghihirap.
Lee Min Ho.
Let me know, yo.
Yeah.
Me, my favorite,
Yeah.
Ryan Bong.
I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. I really
Pilipino nga siya.
Ano talaga to?
I like
Your
it.
idol is Ryan
Yeah,
Bang.
Ryan Bong is popular here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I like Ryan Bong.
Ryan Bang is very funny.
Yeah, I know.
And he is very grateful to Philippines.
And he's famous here.
Yeah, it's showtime.
Oh yeah, there's a show, yeah, TV show.
Yeah.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
2 years here.
3 years. And how long have you been driving?
1 year.
1 year
driving.
pa.
1 year in Waze. In Grab.
You
Driving.
you teacher?
No.
You what?
We're retired.
Retired. What?
Retired general.
Yeah, what kind of?
I'm retired. General. I'm retired.
You earn pension, very big pension.
Basic pension mo daw malaki.
Yeah, we're near, right?
Yes. Straight ahead.
Huh?
Straight ahead.
Yeah,
We
ito.
will go videoke.
Video ko
Karaoke?
sing ko ano si
Karaoke.
I have karaoke here. You
Sayang.
Sayang.
See, look.
Ay, oo nga, may karaoke nga siya.
Sayang mo.
Eh, what about the mic?
There's a microphone here.
Ay, meron din daw. Huwag mo
Oh.
Ayun! Galing!
Yeah, you want to,
Ikot na lang tayo.
yeah, you want to
No,
try?
no, we have already there na eh.
There? Yeah. How much? How much?
Next time.
How much you pay there? How much? Yeah, how much you pay?
Yung guro nga, dito lang tayo, dito tayo magbabayad. Okay.
Uy, ikot pa. Upo ka lang.
Yeah.
Galing.
Galing, oo. 5-star.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, from Samnita. Where?
Here lang dito.
Gigilid na lang natin dito, no?
Dito.
Gigilid na lang natin dito, no?
Sabi ko na eh.
Gigilid na lang natin dito.
Ayan na.
Wait lang.
Ano sabi ko?
It's a prank!
Naka-video ba kami?
Naka-video mo tayo.
Lalabas tayo sa prank!
Vlogger ka?
May vlogger ka?
Actually po ako isang content creator po.
Naisahan mo kami.
Naisahan mo din. Paano tayo naisahan tayo?
Wait lang, ito po ako.
Tingin.
Ayan, ito po ako.
Galing.
So, okay lang po ba isama ko kayo sa content ko?
Ay, sige. Ako okay lang.
Ay, ang dami ko pa namang salita.
Thank you.
Ay, wait lang, ma'am.
Ay, ano?
Dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Ah!
Yes, actually po nagko-content na po ako dito sa
Oh, sige,
Metro
okay
Manila
lang.
po.
No, hindi
So,
nga.
yes, ma'am.
Picture tayo.
Dali.
So, yun, okay lang po, no? Sama ko kayo sa content ko, no? Okay lang? Picture tayo.
Asa mamawa kuya?
Search nyo ako sa YouTube, Facebook, at saka sa TikTok. Pero mas ano ako sa YouTube.
Kasi ang baka 3 years na siya dito. Hindi ba
Yan.
Sige, si
Smile.
Erin.
Sutang?
Shota!
Di, sutang hun. Yan.
Ayun.
Ayan.
One more.
Isa pa.
Okay,
Yan.
one more.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan, baka ma'am. Baka may shoutout po kayo, ma'am. Yan.
Shout
Ang
out!
shout out namin.
Mga
Erasmus Babida.
Yan.
Hello.
Mga retired general. Shoutout. Ingat po.
Sure ka? Wala nang bayad.
Wala na po, ma'am. It's a free ride po.
Ay, galing!
Salamat. Thank you.
Panoorin nyo ako ha sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook.
Mag-subscribe kami.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Grabe, good vibes. Good vibes talaga, no? Feeling ko hindi nila napapanood yung mga vlogs ko. Kaya talagang sobra pa sa prank.
Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam, ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang ng wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka.